We are one, came to fight us, let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
So, room tour. Okay, so this is the front door, right? Okay, let me just do this and show you guys. So when you come in, this is what you see. This is just a pan of what you see. You have obviously the door here with 2 peepholes. And then you have your, I'm gonna try and multitask. You have the full body mirror right next to it. Hey girl, hey. Right, you have your TV there. And bar fridge in here. That's the bar fridge. And a little, something here for storage here. And then we have the bed, which is really low, which is great. I haven't sat on it yet, but yeah, I have a coat hanger, and hat holder and whatever. And then a nice little couch little area to sit. There is the bed. It's kind of cute, You have the desk, of course, with another mirror, a kettle, your tea and coffee, a hair dryer, which is bright. Not that I need it, but hey, oh. Okay. Cute. Okay. And then you have a little trash can. Alright. The only issue that I have is with this little closet space because I can't really go through. And obviously you guys can't see, but like you have hangers here and then you have shelving over there. But yeah, I told the guy for me, that's the one part that they failed at. And then let's go into the bathroom. Oopsie. The bathroom. Cute. Now, obviously you have the sink here. The mirror, I'm really happy with this. The usual lotion, shampoo, bath foam. You have your soap, a nice little face cloth, glass bottle of water. There, got towels, got a bath tub, which also has like a little shower overhead situation. Right, has a nice thingamabob here. Then you have the toilet. That's the toilet. And then you have another standalone shower. And isn't it cute that they put a little stool there? That's very, very nice. So yeah, at least like they tried. I don't know if I'm gonna take a shower at any point, but yeah. Anyway, that is the room tour. There's not much of there really isn't a view. It's just no really hell. But yeah. I look like I cut my hair, but no, I didn't. Oh, there's also an aircon. I didn't show you guys that. But yeah, I am super pleased. I am super pleased. with this space. I'm quite surprised, pleasantly surprised. I was just so nervous, but yeah. That's the room tour, and that's that on that. Yeah, this is Majestic 5 Hotel in Palape, and this is the first night, and I'm going to just hope for the best. Yeah. Go back anymore. Hi guys. So it is day 2 of. Okay, so first of all, I didn't vlog at all yesterday. Maybe I will just like put up the few snaps that I took, you know. But I did not vlog yesterday because I didn't really think that I was going to want to be honest. It was never part of the plan. Even this is not part of the plan. I don't even know if it's gonna go up, but if it does, if you do see this, then clearly it went up. I am having my dinner. I'm having Nando's for dinner. Spicy rice and chicken strips. I don't really have much of an appetite. I haven't really had much of an appetite today since breakfast. I'm just eating like really small anyana things, I like just nibbling, but I don't really have much of an appetite. But anyway, so I didn't tell you guys why I'm here. I'm in Palape on a work trip, and it's my first work trip ever. How do I really feel about it? It's an experience. It's an experience. I am the youngest on our team, so I do tend to feel a little bit overwhelmed sometimes, and a little bit like just confused by a lot of things, because not only am I the youngest, but I'm also still new. Haven't been here for that long, and I'm still learning my job to be honest, which isn't the easiest thing to do. But this particular trip was really good. It was really much needed for me, because it gives me a chance to learn about our organization, our team, and stuff like that, and it's kind of a young orientation for me, so it works for me in that sense. But anyway, yesterday was a bit tough. Was it yesterday? No, the day we arrived on Monday. It's Wednesday today. Monday evening was quite tough for me, because I was having kind of like flashbacks of the time when I was in Montreal. If you go back to my old vlogs, my old videos when I was back in Canada, that was a very dark time in my life. And yesterday I felt a very familiar feeling of loneliness that reminded me of my Canada time, well, Montreal time, where I felt lonely. I felt like I was just it honestly just felt too I felt alone. I felt like just didn't fit in. I was like, why in the world am I here, and it was just not, it was not nice. Like, it was really not nice. The first night was really not that pleasant. But yesterday was good. Yesterday was great, actually. Today wasn't so good. Woke up with like a kink in my neck, shoulder, yeah, just this area. I think probably, and my back also was complaining. So I could just feel how my body was complaining, and I didn't bring painkillers except like paracetamol. And when I'm feeling the way I was feeling, paracetamol is not what I really want. I need like a strong pill, but I'm feeling better. My hot water bottle it helped a lot. And yeah, another thing that is like really on my mind now is just the fact that these Covivi stats are going up again, and it's just like, oh my gosh, so a little bit of paranoia here and there, a little bit of just that little anxiety at the end. Like, I need to be careful, I need to be mindful of all these things and such, because the last thing I want to do really. No, we're not doing that. So yeah, I think tomorrow I'll be fine. Tomorrow will be the last day, and then we travel back on Friday. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys a bit. Clearly, I'm not gonna. I'll just eat after I'm done here. But I'm grateful for this experience because I'm learning new things every day. I am allowing myself to just be like, okay, kids, when I don't know something, I just don't know, which has sometimes been a big struggle for me to just, acknowledge the fact that I don't know something and ask for help or whatever. So it's stretching me in that regard. I do feel like I stick out like a sore thumb. I still do feel, that those little imposter syndrome symptoms and signs every now and then, but we're trying. That's all that matters, that, I'm trying, and that's all I can really do. Baby steps, I'll get there. But I'm proud of myself for being here and not chickening out. I'm proud of myself, and I'm grateful to God for this opportunity to be here. I think this trip has really given people a chance to see that I am able, I am capable. Yes, ke kgona go itlhokomela. Yes, I need help here and there, but ke kgona go itlhokomela. I'm a lot more independent than people think. And I think this trip was really important, especially for the people that I work with, to be able to understand. I posted on my social media platforms not so long ago that in order for an employer to really fully grasp what their employee with a disability is going through, and to really understand their world and their normal, is to speak to them and to give us opportunities to show them what we can do. And this was one of the things that I really, really wanted, to be able to go on an official trip and show them, yes, ka kgona. I can. These are the challenges that I do go through, but this is how I work around them. This is how I'm able to, maneuver stuff, and it's just, I'm hoping that it will, I'm hoping that it will show them where I'm not, like, what's to, I don't know if I'm making sense, but like they should just be open to letting me be a proper part of them, and that I can do it. But anyway, let me not ramble too much. Let me finish my food, and yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, or catch up with you guys, or you'll see me tomorrow. All right. Let me finish my food. Beautiful people, just made a quick stop because so yeah, they wanted to buy some stuff, so yeah. What time is it? I can't check the time right now. It is okay, I don't know what time it is, but yeah, my back is killing me. My back is literally killing me. But I just took a painkiller, so hopefully it will start to work now, and all that good stuff.